Hey everyone, so let's just get straight into it. So this is how you're gonna make these bokeh hearts for your bokeh. I've already made one here, and this is really easy to do. All you just need to do first is take out the lens, and then what you want to do is actually just trace it with a pen. It can be any kind of pen. It can be a marker. I'm using a marker right now, but trace it around. It's kind of bad, but you get the use of it. There you go. Then you'll want to cut it. This. You're gonna want to cut the heart last. I'll show you why. It doesn't really have to be a perfect circle, just as long as it covers the front element of your lens. As you can see, it covers that really well. And then what you want to do is fold this in half, and for my lens you probably have to cut a pretty big hole because the 35mm focal length is kind of wide compared to the 50 and the 85, especially on a DX sensor camera like my Nikon D40. And you should have a heart just like this. Put on top, get some tape, and literally just tape it to your lens here. I didn't cut a perfect heart, as you can see. The smoother the cuts, the smoother the hearts are going to be, so just be aware of that. And there you go. As simple as that, and that's how you make the bokeh heart, or the heart bokeh. So with the 85mm 1.8, it comes with the hood lens, and all you just need to do is just literally just trace this. You're gonna have to put the lens on top, and because the 85 is a tighter focal length, you know, using the lens hood is totally fine. And you would want to use darker colored paper for this, because if you use like a white or a brighter color paper, light is going to leak in. And as you can see, it fits on perfectly. Just gotta fold this here like that. Cut a heart. There's a heart. Just a tip, you should probably put this on first because that's how the camera is going to be mounted. And you want the heart up, not down, unless that is your style. My heart's kind of crooked. It's not the best heart, but we'll see how it looks. And like I said, make sure you tape down all the areas, especially if you're shooting in an environment that has more light. You just want to make sure there's no light that seeps into this. I'm shooting in a low light area, so I won't need to really cover these spaces here, but as you can see, that's how the 85mm with the hood looks like. I would suggest using the hood on the 50 or the 80 and the 85 because it's just a longer focal length. You know, it's tighter for certain shots, and that's how it is. And this is how my 35 looks like. And I'll show you some samples shot with the Nikon D40 with the 35mm. And I'll show you some shots with the 35mm on my Nikon Z6, which is a full frame. And then I'll show you some shots with the Nikon D40 with the 85. And there you go, that's how you do the bokeh hearts. Definitely try it out, it's pretty fun. Thanks for watching.